Save time, save money. This is a huge warehouse for a factory. After the steel frame finishes, the internal walls inside are all used. This kind of cement panels. Now in China, this is how warehouse is built. Why builders use this kind of cement panels? First, much lightweight than brick or block. Second, with 2,440 mm 610 mm in size. Save much labor cost in installation, faster speed in construction. Third, fireproof E grade so can meet fireproof rating requirements. For special factories such like pharmaceutical factory, electronics factory and so on.